Inflammation is a good thing when kept in check. Actually, it's our body's way of healing itself after it's been injured, and so the repair can happen. Hi, my name is Audrey Burke. I am a healer, health coach, and nutritionist. And on this channel, we talk all things wellness. And so, if you're interested in this content, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and engage in the comments. Let me know what topics you'd like to discuss. And so, getting back to inflammation, there is a such thing as acute inflammation. That's when our body's injured. Uh, the healing process begins with inflammation, and hopefully we're done. However, there's a such thing as chronic inflammation, and that's what we want to avoid. Chronic inflammation can happen when from the environment, let's say, it could happen from stress, it could happen from the foods we eat. And so, again, we want to keep these things in check. And what happens is when we are exposed to, let's say, toxins or uh, something that our body doesn't recognize, that's when our immune system is activated and the inflammatory process begins. And so, ways we can kind of avoid or keep our inflammation down in our body, let's say when we're talking about the environment, we can be careful with, well, I don't know how much we can do with our air quality. I guess there are powers that be that are kind of managing. But when it comes to, like, let's say our household cleaning products, we can make sure we could actually create our own with vinegar, water, or buy products that will kind of be safe and not too harsh on our system. And when it comes to, let's say, managing our stress, again, our immune system, when we're stressed, our immune system is activated. And so that's when inflammation, the inflammatory process begins because different hormones, stress hormones are released and it can damage our cells. Actually, studies have shown that inflammation is the root cause of a lot of our diseases that we have in our bodies. And moving on to, like, the foods we eat. Again, when our bodies don't recognize uh, uh, foods that we're putting in our bodies or chemicals or preservatives, that's again when the immune system is activated and inflammation occurs. And we want to try to minimize inflammation by eating food in its whole form, foods that's in its natural form, as natural as we can get it. We want to load up on, let's say, leafy greens and berries and uh, whole grains, even lean meats and proteins. We want to, if we can avoid or eliminate processed foods, preservatives. Our bodies don't recognize preservatives. And so that, again, will activate the immune system. And so these are some of the remedies that we could put in place to keep inflammation down in our bodies. Um, Actually, to relieve stress, we can exercise, do whatever you find joy in, whatever you enjoy. Just move our bodies. It helps keep inflammation down. I'm going to just check my notes so I don't forget anything. Yes, we want to continue being well. So this is a tip as to, in a brief description of inflammation in our bodies. I hope it was helpful. And again, if you're interested in this content, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and engage in the comments. And yes, share them also. Thank you. And until the next video, bye.